Are you tired of waiting hours for your clothes to dry, or struggling with limited laundry space? Whether you live in a small apartment, dorm room, RV, or simply need a convenient backup for rainy days, a portable clothes dryer could be the perfect solution. But with so many different models available, choosing the right one can be challenging. That's why we've researched and compared some of the best portable clothes dryers available for 2026, focusing on drying performance, capacity, portability, convenience, and overall value. In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best portable clothes dryers for 2026. From compact and budget-friendly options to powerful models designed for larger loads, there's something here for every lifestyle and laundry need. So, which portable clothes dryer is the best choice for you? Stay tuned as we reveal our top 5 picks, starting with number 5. Number 5. MOJOCO Portable Clothes Dryer. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the MOJOCO Portable Clothes Dryer, a compact and convenient option designed for apartments, dorm rooms, travel, and other small living spaces. Powered by a 600W heating system, this portable dryer is designed to provide efficient drying performance without taking up the space of a traditional tumble dryer. Its compact and lightweight design makes it especially useful for people with limited laundry space or those who need a dryer that can be easily moved or stored away. One of its biggest advantages is its portable design. Whether you're living in an apartment, staying in an RV, traveling, or dealing with rainy weather, the MOJOCO can offer a practical way to dry smaller loads of clothing. Simply set it up when needed and store it away afterward. The dryer is best suited for everyday clothing, lightweight garments, and smaller laundry loads. Its enclosed drying design helps circulate warm air around your clothes, making it a convenient alternative to air drying indoors. And number 4. Rolitwils Portable Clothes Dryer. Coming in at number 4, we have the Rolitwils Portable Clothes Dryer, a compact and foldable drying solution designed for small spaces, travel, RVs, apartments, and everyday convenience. One of the standout features of this model is its space-saving foldable design. When you're finished drying your clothes, it can be packed away easily, making it a practical option for people who don't have room for a traditional dryer. The Rolitwils also comes with a remote control, allowing you to operate and adjust the dryer more conveniently. Its included drying bag helps create an enclosed space for circulating warm air around your clothes, making it suitable for smaller loads and everyday garments. Thanks to its lightweight and portable construction, this dryer can be especially useful for travelers, RV owners, students, or anyone living in a compact apartment. It's designed to offer a convenient alternative when outdoor drying space is limited or when you need clothes dried indoors. And number 3. Ljusved Portable Clothes Dryer. Coming in at number 3, we have the Ljusved Portable Clothes Dryer, a compact mini dryer designed for convenient laundry drying at home or while traveling. With its portable and space-saving design, this dryer is a practical choice for apartments, dorms, hotel rooms, RVs, and other places where a traditional full-size dryer may not be available. Its compact size also makes it easier to store and transport when needed. The Ljusved portable dryer machine is designed primarily for smaller loads and everyday clothing, making it useful for drying essential garments without taking up much space. Whether you're dealing with limited indoor drying space or need a convenient solution while away from home, its simple and portable design adds extra flexibility. Its classic white finish gives it a clean, modern appearance that can easily fit into different living spaces. And number 2. KASYDoFF Portable Dryer. Coming in at number 2, we have the KASYDoFF Portable Dryer, a powerful and practical option designed for apartments, homes, RVs, and travel. With a 46-inch drying space and a 1000W power rating, this portable dryer offers a larger and more capable setup than many ultra-compact alternatives. It is designed to handle everyday clothing while maintaining a space-saving and portable form factor. One of its standout features is the combination of high power and portability. The 1000W drying system is designed to provide efficient warm air drying, while the tall drying area gives clothes more room to hang naturally during the drying process. The KASYDoFF also comes with a storage bag, making it easier to pack away or transport when not in use. This makes it especially convenient for people living in apartments, traveling in RVs, or anyone who needs a flexible laundry solution without dedicating space to a full-size dryer. And now, number 1. CinGiiCo Portable Clothes Dryer. And taking the number 1 spot, we have the CinGiiCo Portable Clothes Dryer, a convenient and feature-packed option designed for apartments, RVs, travel, and compact living spaces. One of its standout features is its ability to hold up to 12 items at once, making it a practical choice for drying multiple pieces of clothing in a single session. This gives it an advantage for users who want more capacity without the bulk of a traditional dryer. For added convenience, the CinGiiCo comes with both a time-setting function and remote control, allowing you to manage the drying process more easily. Its portable design also makes it suitable for apartments, RVs, hotel stays, and other situations where space is limited. Another appealing feature is its low noise and energy-saving design, making it a more convenient option for indoor use. The compact structure allows you to set it up when needed without permanently sacrificing valuable floor space. Let me know in the comments which one you're picking up, and I'll catch you in the next video.